Before we start, make sure to remove the battery and the power adapter. On the bottom of the laptop, slide the latch to the right and the battery out. Loosen the 8 retaining screws. Remove the access door cover from the laptop. Remove the 4 2.5mm by 8mm screws. Lift the hard drive out of the laptop. Remove the 4 3mm by 3mm screws. Lift the caddy away from the hard drive. Make sure to align the connector post with the caddy. Place the hard drive into the caddy and replace the 4 screws. Place the hard drive into the laptop. Press firmly on the connector to make sure it seats properly. Screw in the 4 2.5mm by 8mm screws. Replace the access door and tighten down the 8 screws. Slide the battery into the laptop until it locks into place.
We hope you found this tutorial useful. All parts discussed in this tutorial can be found at partspeople.com.